Hi, it's Max. Welcome back to The Art of the Craft, and welcome to Quick Bites, a short 60-second segment focusing on techniques helping you get more efficient in the kitchen. Let's get cooking.
You want to instantly make your dinner a little bit more classy? Roasted garlic is the answer. Watch how easy this is. We're going to go ahead and take a sharp knife and cut off the very bottom, maybe the bottom third or bottom quarter. Then peel back the excess skin so all the little cloves are exposed. You take that same sharp knife and just cut the tips off of the remaining cloves. Your garlic head should look like this. We've got some aluminum foil and we're going to make a little nest for it. Drizzle some olive oil right on top. Sprinkle of salt and pepper. Take the foil and wrap it around. Make sure it's loosely covered and it's not smashed on top of the garlic. There's going to be a little steam and you want that to be able to move around so that the garlic cooks evenly. We're going to go ahead and stick it in our oven, 350 degrees, 45 minutes. Open it up at that point. If you need more, you can always brill the top to put some color on it.